2 more bags.
No, I think I'll fit it in those. Hi, kitty. Holy shit. Good morning from Beijing, China. My name is Akhil and today we are climbing the Great Wall of China. This was never meant to be a YouTube video. I was just filming it for myself. So it's going to be raw, unplanned and little random. But maybe that's what makes it real. I hope you enjoy the climb, the conversation with locals and the view from the top.
来，各位游客啊，欢迎各位坐Mutianyu摆渡车，我是随车的第一种不能房。南步道到达的是6号迪楼附近，北步道到达的是10号迪楼附近。第二种单程的索道，索道到达的是。
放完了就开始上视频了，是吧？
Right now, I'm taking a bus ride to the cable car with my local guide Chris.
3 luggage, all the clothes.
Gifts for family, clothes,
Oh my god.
like that.
So you bought the gifts in Canada or where?
In Canada. I'll do some shopping here too. I'll find some time on my last day in Beijing when there's no tour, right? I'll go shopping. Then in Shanghai, I'll go shopping. Yeah, a little bit.
So maybe you need 2 more bags.
No, I think I'll fit it in those. Yeah.
The travel inside, you have 3 big luggages.
You know. After about 15 minutes, the bus pulled in and it was time to start the real journey. We made our way toward the first security checkpoint. Not that busy, right? Good place. Usually it's like really busy.
Long queue.
Take a picture of that cat. It's a fat cat.
Yeah, lots of cats.
It's a lot of cats there.
On the wall, maybe we also can see the cat.
Thank you.
That's the guide.
What's the guide?
Yes, she said you look like rich. Your glass very expensive.
Oh, no, not that rich.
I think that's the height. and expensive glass.
No.
Your tourist is rich.
No.
And if you're single, I can recommend to you.
Once we cleared the security, we followed path up to the cable car. Nice view. Very nice. He'll be fine, don't be scared. After the cable car, we walked the last few steps. There were already so many people here. And just like that, we were standing on the Great Wall, something I would only ever seen in pictures before. Now it was time to climb.
Okay, now we walk on.
Okay.
Take a photo.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Ooh.
It's a watchtower.
Oh.
It's used for the warriors I believe.
They kept an eye on the army?
Yeah.
Earlier, our guide Chris mentioned we might see cats living along the wall. And sure enough, this little one had already become a celebrity. Everyone was stopping to take photos.
Tiny cats.
It's so cute.
This cat they stay here every day.
Every day. Hi, kitty. Meow. It's so cute. As we continued walking, I wanted to share something with you. The Great Wall isn't just a single wall, it's a series of walls built over different dynasties stretching more than 21,000 kilometers across China. And standing here, you can really feel the scale of it.
I think it's easy for you. Not
I'll go slow. You know, if I run, I'll get too tired.
yeah, the round trip, so that part round trip about 40 minutes. So up 20 minutes, down 20 minutes.
Oh, 40 minutes? No?
But
I'll try to be
it's
fast.
very worth it to
Go.
exercise.
True.
And there are 5 Chinese words which belong to Chen Mao Zedong.
Okay.
You see there, that's all. There's some people standing there.
Yeah.
That's the end.
Okay.
They block, no climbing.
No problem.
That part almost like this stage.
Okay. All over to the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the way to top. So I will wait here.
Okay.
You go to challenge.
Okay. I'll be back.
Then we come back.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Yeah.
Wish me luck.
Yeah. So walk carefully and slowly.
Okay.
Walk carefully.
Okay.
We'll wait outside.
Okay. See you.
Yeah.
See you. As we approached the steeper section, my guide told me that he'll wait at the third watchtower. From here, the climb was on me. As I began climbing, I realized everyone was moving at their own pace, pausing to catch their breath, stopping for photos, just taking it all in. Come on, you can do it.
Yeah, we can do it.
The higher I went, the quieter it became. There were far fewer people near the top than where we started from. Maybe not everyone who visits the wall chooses to climb all the way up. You will hear me breathing a little heavier here. It's not as easy as it looks, but the higher I climbed, the better the views became. I had to stop and catch my breath, but just look at the view. It's beautiful. We were almost at the top. The crowd kept getting smaller and the views kept getting better. Holy shit. And finally, we reached the top. People were scattered around, taking photos, soaking in the views, catching their breath. Even up here, a local vendor was selling drinks and snacks. Life continues, even on the wall. The feeling at the top is hard to describe. It feels surreal. You're standing on something you have only seen in pictures your whole life. I hope you enjoyed this raw and unplanned climb of the Great Wall of China. If you did, feel free to leave a comment and I'd love to hear what you think. And if you like to see more journeys like this, consider subscribing. It would really support this new beginning.